divided into installation, testing, and project field scenes.
Land is divided into project and training phases. On-site testing and factory testing.
Water columns continue to swing with the music lights, and from time to time, dazzling firelights. The perfect fusion of music and lights, and the passion of water and fire lighting. All said that water and fire are not compatible in the brightness sky. It should be harmonious with melodious music. The handsome braid wall technology integrates the opposite beauty and feel the gentleness of the water, the enthusiasm of the fire, and the magic of light.